So we have started with the 15 to 18 junior boys. The finals one: Uday, Narayan Sharma, Hiten Saini, Ayush Bhatt, and Arshiyot Singh. The four skaters, they are on your screen right now, eyeing that gold medal. Oh, what a performance! Attack from the outside. Attack from the outside. Going strong all the way from the fourth to the third to second, and now leading the pack. Racer number 161, Hiten Saini of Chandigarh. Attack from the inside, changing the position. Move back to the second position. Now again to the second position. Attack from the inside, changing the order. Changing the order. Now the pack is being led by racer number 643, and there he goes. 643, Uday Narayan Sharma of Jammu Kashmir. What a race it was. A close fight between Uday Narayan Sharma of Jammu Kashmir and Hiten Saini of Chandigarh. Absolutely close finish. We're going to wait for the officials to declare the results. That was a race, and that's what I said. When you move on to the higher age groups, this is what we want to watch. And this is what the youngsters should be watching. Observe the movements, the way the arms are swing, the way the arms swing, the legs move, the turns, cross legs, everything that comes into action. Moving on to above 18 senior women. I'm sorry. Moving to the above 18 senior men. Ring 2 finals 2. The results, let's go get the results now.
The third position goes to this.
So the results of 15 to 18 junior boys ring 2 are: the bronze medalist is a skater from Jammu Kashmir, Arshiyot Singh. The silver medalist is from Chandigarh, Hiten Saini, and the gold medalist comes from Jammu Kashmir again, Uday Narayan Sharma. So the 2 medals in this race goes to the skaters from Jammu Kashmir and 1 to Chandigarh. Now moving on to the above 18 senior men. The finals 2, the skaters are Taylor Mitesh Chetan Kumar, Sukhvinder Singh, Naraya Man Sailesh Bhai, and Samarjot Singh. And racer number 900 was shown a yellow card just now for a foul start. The skaters got to be careful. You can't afford to do this kind of mistakes at the start line when you are in such a actually you are in the senior most age group now, above 18. Okay, no, Sukhvinder Singh, racer number 900, does a foul start again and has been shown a red card, and he's out of the race, disqualified. A good start there by the skaters. Ooh, what a game, what a game. Attack from the outside. Move from the second to the first. Samarjot Singh was leading, but that attack from the outside to inside, 4-3-2, now move to the first. Taylor Mitesh Chetan Kumar of Gujarat there. He is leading now. Samarjot Singh of Jammu Kashmir in the second. Attack from the inside, and there he changed, and the order changes again. Samarjot now leading. It's Samarjot and Taylor Mitesh Chetan Kumar at the finish line. And Naraya Manan Shailesh Bhai in that order. So that was the finals two. Now the last race of ring 2 senior male, the final one. The skaters are Veer Chetan Panchal of Gujarat, Dashil Yadav of Delhi, Jagdeep Singh of Punjab, and Rohan Raina of Delhi. These are the 4 skaters. The 4 skaters above 18 in position, set, and a clear start.
Domino's free delivery.
Bro, और ये आ गई स्टेडियम वाली फील. Domino's free delivery.
The senior most age group above 18, senior men. Ring 2, that's a 500 plus D. 4-3-1 as of now leading. 4-3-1. Veer Chetan Panchal of Gujarat. But still, 1.5 laps. Okay, change in the order, is it? Beautiful race. Beautiful race. 4-3-1, followed 4-0-7. 8-9-9. Beautiful race there by these 4 skaters. Veer Chetan still leading. He has taken quite a good lead there. The last lap is in progress. Few meters to the finish line. I think he has more or less secured his gold medal there. 4-3-1, 4-0-7.